So guys, ito yung aming Christmas lights decorations outside ng bahay. Nice. Yan po mga kaibigan, ang mga simpleng Christmas lights ng mga bahay-bahay dito. Okay, patay mo na.
Now we will continue with the third candle of Advent, the candle of joy. This joy is not dependent on perfect circumstances or the absence of hardship. It is a deep and steady joy, rooted in the promise that God is with us and that love is breaking into the world. The prophets rejoiced in hope, even while they waited.
Has appeared on this earth, but it was nearly 3,000 years ago when we got our first vivid image of Christmas. Because the verses that Alicia and Heather read from the prophet Isaiah were written down over 700 years before Christ arrived, and the angel even used some of those very words. The people who walked in darkness have seen a great light.
God bless you. Merry Christmas.
It's Christmas party time, guys. It's rainy. Nice neighborhood. For a party, Christmas party. Hello. Hello. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. YouTube. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, Omar. Merry Christmas, bro. Merry Christmas. Christmas po. Yeah, Merry Christmas. Hi guys, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. New car.
Nakakita kayo, green.
Ano ba? Ay, Merry Christmas. Pang lang ito. Merry Christmas natin. Christmas po.
Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas again. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. May wine. Ayan. Merry Christmas.
How the heck? How come he didn't give me one? Did you get him that thing?
How about you?
Merry Christmas. You got him that one? Yeah. Why is this different? That is not.
Merry Christmas, guys.
Hindi ko pala sa isang. Inaano ka yan, may sumula ko.
Christmas.
Ano eh? Ano naman pizza?
Kayo dito. Hi.
Panoorin nyo to sa YouTube, ah.
Okay, 1, 2. Natidog pa yun. Okay.
Ella, can you call my dad? Tell him to play piano.
You've got a lot. All of this are yours? Alright.
Dad, can you move it?
Okay, number two.
Electric bike.
Premier Comfort Feather Salt. Okay, number 3. We're following down.
Does everybody like Blake?
Someone that.
Open!
That's not
Wow!
Alam ko na yun. Ay, hindi. Ibang laman pala niya ng isang hindi sona.
I was about to say, that's not $30.
Number 4.
Timer. What's the time? Alright, let's see. Who's gonna go? No, siya mamili ka rin ako. Siya mamili. Para fair, siya mamili. Kung tama ka niya. Risha! Buksan mo na yan! Briefcase 26. Ang ginagawa ng briefcase number 26 ay... Ito ang magiging future mo. Isang... Carpintero! Okay, timer! Arigatou gozaimasu. Arigatou!
chicks.
Okay, and... Ay,
Mamaya yung ulo mo.
mga presidents ko. Okay, trip to Hawaii. Oh, my turn ako naman.
Blanket.
It's a fleece jacket.
Wait, that's like cute. What is it? Is it yellow?
That's a fleece jacket.
Oh, it's cute. I think it's from Costco. I like this one. It's from Costco. Okay, open it.
That's from Mama Mia.
You're not.
Oh, what is that?
Oh, I got nuts.
Oh, that's mine.
Okay, we got a long.
Oh.
Is it big?
No.
It's from Abercrombie. Oh, word? Wait, that's cute. That's from Abercrombie?
Oh, that's from...
That's it?
I already opened it.
Open that. What is that? That's from Auntie Aida from South Pole. Oh, that's
Wow.
cute.
Oh, I'm putting it on the thing. You know the thing? Does he know?
That's not for you guys. It's
No shoe show.
for everybody.
That was not good.